um in today's edition, I just want to teach you top secrets on how to enter a market. Of course, you see, sometimes you are made to lose a trade, and sometimes you tend to um, make profit because not because you did proper analysis using price action to trade. It's just because you are just lucky and it went that way. Of course, so I'm going to be explaining to you a better way you could enter the market, make good income, and leave the market. All right. Now, I want you to observe that there is always a wick of a candle. And the wick of a candle, for instance, this candle is going up. Now, there's a wick here that is long or longer than the body of this candle, which is from here to here. So it simply means that the strength of the buyer is really pushing down BTC. Of course, okay, BTC is at got to 31,000, okay, and suddenly we are seeing it dropping. And if this will continue, because this is weekly analysis, all right, let me use weekly analysis to analyze this trade, of course. So um, you know that there's a pressure on this current candle showing you that the seller force is being strong or massive on the current candle. Well, um, you don't enter a trade if you want to be a long time trader, like a weekly trader or a monthly trader. You don't just enter this trade or this candle. All right. So you first of all draw out some things that will guide you to go into this trade. Starting from the weekly trade, let's say this is my support. Okay, let me just use the mark, the rectangle sign to draw my support zone. This is my support zone. This is my support zone. This is my support zone. Now I've gotten this support zone. Now let's go to daily time frame. You see that this weekly support zone is a very strong zone that is very difficult for even the daily candle to break. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to observe another strong support zone for my daily candle. Okay, so whatever I'm doing, okay, let me just do both the support and the resistance, all right, so that you understand what we are doing. Let me go back to weekly and mark it's very strong resistance on the candle. All right, so this is another resistance. This is a resistance stopping this candle from going up, and there was a big short there. All right, so this is it. So you're now seeing the pulling force that has not made BTC breakthrough. All right, this is another force that have not made BTC breakthrough. Okay, so we just have to be very careful here. All right, so I will tell you when to enter market here. So let me use another color on the resistance so that we will not make mistakes on it. All right, let's use this color for it. I think this orange color is good for it. Let me also draw this very well so that it will cover a long length also. All right, so let's go now. I think we are good to go based on the weekly time frame. All right, so let's just flow with this. Now observe this. Observe, you see, before this candle short, there are so many wick here. The candle could no longer go up. Whenever you are seeing so many weak candle, it means that the candle want to have a massive reverse. It works major time, like 70%. All right, whenever you are seeing a major weak candle, like 1 2 3 4, weak candle on a particular high or a low, okay, a long trade or a short trade, whenever you are seeing so many weak candle on a particular position, know that the pressure taking the candle up is no more there. So you should be expecting a reversal in trade. All right, so let's go to daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, there are so many um, resistance which need which has been broken. All right, so look here, we're expecting this candle to come up to this side. We're expecting this candle to come up to this side, which he actually did. But today there's going to be a little challenge on that particular trade. Okay, so let's look at if there are um, strong resistance here to bring this candle down. Okay, so let's look at this first. Let me use this long line first so that I can get what I want. This is another strong, this is another resistance. This is another resistance. All right, so let's see. You see that this current candle has been fighting to break. I'm going to use the boss so that you see that this current candle has been fighting to break this actual boss resistance but could not. All right, so let me use the boss so you see, you understand properly to get what we were looking for. So let's see if he can break it or not. All right, let's see if he can break it or not, because this is a major problem that most people are passing through. I don't want to just talk. I want to do a practical example, show you how to mark your support and resistance zone, then let you know when to enter a trade. Now remember, we are still on a daily trades. Okay, I'm going to use 4 hour time frame to analyze the trade. I'm going to use 1 hour, then I'm going to use also 15 minutes to analyze this trade. Then I will tell you a possible playout on this trade. So I've gotten what I want. Remember, this candle is still a moving candle. The current candle is still a moving candle. So you cannot just say the candle did not break. The reason why many people lost trade is because of patience. Being patient enough will secure your trade over 70%. So you're not just, oh, the thing cannot break, it cannot break, it cannot break, let me just enter. Oh, it's more than it, let me just enter. No, 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 no. Look at this place. There is a wick on this candle. There is a wick on this candle, on this daily candle. So for that reason, I'm expecting the market to short a bit. But notwithstanding, I will not just conclude. I have to mark every of my support and resistance zone. Remember that up part is your resistance zone, and this down part, which I'm about drawing now, is your support zone, and this is another support zone again. This is another support zone. This is another support zone. So let me color this, okay, please. I'm sorry. Okay, so the support has one color and the resistance has one color. Now, if at the end of if by 5 p.m., which will round up a 4-hour time frame, this candle could not break this place further, it means something which I'm going to be explaining to you. So let's go to 4 hours and see what really happened. Now look at 4 hour. 4 hour is showing you that the market is totally weak. Look at all this place. It's showing that the candle is totally weak to go further. I bet you, even though this market will go a bit up like this, it will definitely come down. It will definitely come down. To definitely come down. Now, you see, that I'm trying to get a good position for you on the 4-hour time frame. Now I'm seeing this candle picking from this place, picking from this place. Sorry, please. Picking from this place to this place. Please, I'm coming. Good. All right, so I'm saying BTC from this place. So a better place to enter the market is to wait by 5 p.m. according to your own time, or to your own time. Okay, we are analyzing from Nigeria. This is almost 5. If the next candle forms below here, this market is showing too much weak here, and also it has been showing that there have been a pressure for this market to short for long, but the buyer pressure is still keeping going. It's still keeping going, but the buyer pressure could not break this place through, despite the fact that it tries to go, it always comes down. It tries to go, it always comes down. So we are waiting to see what the next candle will be telling us when it forms. So wait for the next candle. If the next candle forms below here and show a very full bar going down, please, after the next candle, go. But for us to confirm that, because waiting for a 4-hour time frame before you enter the market, you just need to confirm it with other analysis. So you come to your 1 hour. That is our analysis. You come to your 1 hour, check what the candle is saying. In the next 6 minutes, 1 hour candle will be rounding up, and see what 1 hour is saying. 1 hour is saying that the candle tries to break down, because it could not break this boss. And it tries again to gather momentum here. Trying to gather this momentum here, it began to go up, but what happened? It came down again. What happened? It came down again. So 1 hour candle is telling you that there is weakness on top here for this candle to go, that the buyers are coming out of the market, maybe either changing position to the seller. So be wise before you enter the trade. I am seeing BTC shorting currently. Now for further confirmation, I will go to my 15 minutes. Now look at 15 minutes forming another candle, telling us that this boss is a very strong area for this candle to break through, for BTC to break through. That this zone is very strong for BTC to break through. So what we'll do also is telling us that this candle is shorting. Now look here, BTC is already shorting in 15 minutes. I will just wait for this candle to short, see the kind of movement it forms, and wait for the next 15-minute candle to come up in the next 5 minutes. Then I will short the market and be rest assured that it will go to my favor to come out with something good. All right, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Just giving an analyst. I will just say this to you: use good leverage. Don't on your account, don't burn your account. Use good leverage while you trade on this. This analysis will also help you both in forex trading, in crypto trading, and in synthetic trading. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, God bless you. If you have any comment or question, drop it in the comment section.